welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a plant tour. I'm going to start off with my bedroom where most of my plants are. First I have this really pretty but fake one from IKEA. Maintenance is very easy on this one. Next I have one of my favorites, my aloe vera plant. His leaves have gotten a little bit floppy, a little bit flat, so I'm trying to work on standing them up. I think I gave him a bit too much water, but this one's beautiful. Next, one of the big centerpieces of my room is definitely my palm. I love the leaves. I love how they frond out. This one is so big, so beautiful. I have a little bit of browning on a few of his leaves, but I think it just needs more water and sunlight. Next up I have my schefflera plant. I love this one so much. Its leaves are so pretty and it's so big, but it definitely needs a lot of sun. When it gets a lot of sun, the leaves open up like this, but they can kind of wither and get a little crinkly if it doesn't have enough sunlight, so I need to give him a little bit more light, but other than that, he's looking good. Next is my peace lily, and I love this one. It's one of my absolute favorites. The leaves are so dark and pretty, and it actually does bloom flowers. I'm really excited for that one to bloom and see the lilies, but I love this one a lot. It's definitely one of my favorite plants. Two of my other favorite plants live in this corner and they hang. I have a pothos and an ivy here. I love my little ivy. This one is brand new. I'm really excited for it to get super big and take over a whole wall. I think it's just the coolest look and I absolutely love the little leaves. And then my pothos. This one is one of my favorites, not only because of how big it is and how much it dangles, but also how easy it is to just propagate the plant and cut off little trimmings and put them in water and allow you to grow more pothos. I think it's so cool. I actually have another one hanging in my room, but I absolutely love these two. I love how they hang in that corner. On my windowsill with some little rocks and seashells from Washington, I just have a little succulent plant that my friend Max got me for Christmas. I love this one. They're super pretty and just a nice little addition. My dracena or dracena, I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. This plant lives on my bedside table and I love it. These ones actually get quite tall as they grow. I need to move it into a bigger pot soon. This was another one of those little baby pothos that was propagated from a bigger one. I just hang it up in my corner. In my desk area, first I have my money tree, which I love. These are said to bring good luck and prosperity, and I just love the leaves and I love the detail of the trunk. I think it's a beautiful plant. And then up in the corner I have my spider plant hanging, another really easy plant to grow more plants from. In the living room, Emily likes to call it the plant orphanage. We have two windowsills that are just completely full of plants from our friends, kind of plants that we're babysitting. Just all the plants kind of live and sit on these windowsills because they get a lot of natural light. So it is kind of a hodgepodge. First we have Triumph's plant. It's a corn plant and that one just sits in the middle. This one's nice. It has really long trunks and really pretty kind of leaves, very similar to the dracena. I'm babysitting these two plants and I don't know what they are, but they're very cute. But here we have Cordelia's money tree. Cordelia's plants are all the ones in the blue pots. I don't know what this plant is. I looked everywhere online and I could not find it, but it is really cute and little and I hope it grows bigger. Then we have Emily's little trio of succulents. She has a cactus, a jade, and then a spider plant, and they're in these really pretty white hexagon little pots. These ones are really, really nice. Then this is Cord's plant. It's called the scaredy cat plant. I don't know why it's called that, but these ones are super cute and just have kind of a nice classic houseplant type of look. Then we have the second windowsill where we have a polka dot plant that I'm babysitting, another jade, another mini pothos that was propagated, and a very, very pretty succulent that I believe is Emily's. And then we have this plant that I just do not know what it's called. It's kind of fluffy, mossy. I don't know what it is. I think it might be dying. I need to give it some more water. Then we have Cord's philodendron. Philodendrons are beautiful, just very great solid plants, beautiful leaves, really brighten up a room. And that completes the windowsill of plants we have. Moving over to the bookcase, I think this is a wandering Jew plant, but I'm not totally sure because the leaves are a solid color. But this one is really beautiful. It has purple on the underside. This is given to me by a good friend Zoe. This plant is so pretty. It looks so nice hung from a nice high space so you can really see the purple leaves. And just like the pothos and the spider plant, it's quite easy to propagate, so you can cut off a little clipping and plant it in some soil after it roots, like I've done right here, which I just hung from my lamp. Then over in this corner I have my beautiful fake plants from IKEA. This is my ficus. I had this in my dorm room last year and just absolutely loved it. It's so pretty. I wish it was a real one, but I'll have a fake one for now. I also just have this fake vine. This is great for if you have a place that doesn't really grow plants super well, you can just put one of these in. The last couple of plants in the living room are quite pretty. First is Emily's Madagascar palm and this really nice yellow plant. This one's really cute. It's very like cute and quirky and funny looking. And then I have this gorgeous massive philodendron also gifted to me from my friend Zoe because she was moving. This one is so beautiful. These leaves are so nice and it's huge. I definitely need to like get a better thing for it because it's totally taking up the entire coffee table right now. We don't really have plants in the kitchen so much as it's like a plant nursery for all of the little plant clippings. We have one nice basil we use for cooking that's Macy Meat and Matthias's, and then we just have all of the plant clippings from other plants that are in little jars waiting to take root so we can pot them into soil. So a lot of spider plants, pothos, and then a couple clippings from philodendrons in the corner as well. In the bathroom, we just keep one little baby spider plant that just kind of hangs from the thing. I think it looks super cute and I love kind of having that there. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.